on first grade language arts. I think we're working on first grade language arts. We're almost done with it. Pronoun verb of agreement. Complete the sentence with the best verb. Oh, this is easy. Oh, this is so easy, Keep. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Let's do this. You say, let's do this. Okay, all right. So the way I want you to do this is going to be they plus the correct answer and then the rest of the sentence. Okay? All right, so for example, I'll do the first one for you. They want more water. Oh, no, failed. Okay, click that and then done. Okay, ta-da! All right, your turn.
We know that game.
Perfect. Boom, done. Okay, my turn here. They grow orange trees. All right, brilliant. Next.
We stay with the dungeon.
Correct, very nice. My turn here. They fit on my feet.
I hear something.
Very nice, good. No S with I. Okay. She looks like Meg. Right, we're going to try to get to 75 or 85. 85.
Lead very well.
Perfect. Okay, my turn here. It starts in 3 days.
She rides horses.
Horses. Okay, very nice. Good. My turn here. She bakes every day, and that's why there's an S there, and she does that every day. Right? Repeated action. Okay, we
win the game.
Very nice. Good. We got the first medal there. Go for the second medal, and then we're done. Okay, they help me see better. Looks like they are glasses. Okay, your turn.
He says hello every day.
Yep, and then the way you pronounce this is kind of like S-E-Z, right?
Yes.
Or S-E-Z. He says hello every day. Right, there you go, perfect. Okay, done. Okay, looks like we got 2 medals there, and that's done. Now just say thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Say it like this, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Peace.